is Ella from Ningbo Puxing Manufacturer. We are special in the field of network. Today I want to introduce you what affects the price of RJ45 Connect. Here I have 4 types of connectors. Type 1, Type 2, Type 3, Type 4. So what factors affect the price, determine the price? Firstly, the material. We look these two. Traditionally, we use PC, and now this one is traditional. We use PC, and this one is new PC. What is new PC? New PC is a material environment friendly, so its price is higher. And this connector, we use new PC with zinc arrow, so its price higher than this one new PC. Its material, the most part is zinc arrow, so its price is the highest of these 4. Secondly, the thickness of gold plates or contacts. Zinc gold plates, its price is higher. And thirdly, the category. Now we all know the newest of category is 8. This one. So the latest you choose, the price is more expensive. And fourthly, the type of shielded or not shielded. These two types is STP, and this two types is UTP. And the price of STP is more expensive. That's all. Thank you.